driver out of Kirkland, Illinois. Outside of her in the 61, Frank Beldowski. The 33rd three-car of Tim Finstad out of Poynette, Wisconsin. Green flag, and we're racing. The 19 car of Justin Pearson was supposed to be part of this heat race. Apparently some mechanical issues with him, as he didn't make the call for this heat race for the American short trackers. Beldowski out to the early lead. Frank Beldowski. Frankie Beldowski, your American short tracker champion last year. This is his first time back in an American short tracker, and he certainly hasn't lost his speed. This is the battle for second with Boyd, and Boyd takes her around in turns 3 and 4. Frank Beldowski, like I was saying, that's six. Beldowski out to the lead. Beldowski hanging on to that lead. 5 laps down to the 8th lap. American short tracker heat race. Heat number 1. The 33 of Finstad making his way up to the rear bumper, but he's running out of time. White flag flies, this time by Frank Beldowski. That 61 car has her on a rail tonight. Takes home heat race win number 1 for the American short trackers. He'll make his way to victory lane tonight. Don't forget to stop down to the main concession area. Limited edition 4th of July cotton candy. Freshly made red, white, and blue cotton candy all in one bag.